Uneven heating, rising energy bills, constant repairs. This is what the homeowners were dealing with every day. Comfort Style makes furnace replacement simple and stress-free. Our expert team quickly removed the old system and installed a high-efficiency furnace designed to keep this house warm and comfortable while saving money on energy costs. We work quickly and professionally to deliver results. We handle everything with precision, leaving no mess behind. Don't let an old furnace hold you back. Call us today. Your comfort is our priority.